I used to run a similar company, and our strategy was to outsource everything. And it was a real challenge to my paradigm when I came to I-care and I saw how you're bringing all the capabilities in-house. And it's a big lift. You're breaking the technology barrier, and you have a great vision for the future. So I like to go where there's original thought. It's developed its own way. And so come in here and learn what I can learn from the Belgian maintenance, reliability, and asset management community. So thank you for the opportunity to also come to a super high-tech company.
I started in the predictive maintenance world, maintenance and reliability world, 26 years ago, a bit when you launched Reliability Web, and so that's very important for me because it's an achievement.
Out that you're controlling almost the entire supply chain and the manufacturing process, because then you can realize your vision. And you have a great vision for the future. This industry needs the kind of technology that you're doing, and you're plowing new ground for all of us.
That's important to be our own manufacturer because we manage the whole quality and the whole technology. As we also develop and program everything by ourselves, we can implement changes very fast to be always at the edge of the quality and the technology.
What's exciting about what I see here at I-care is two things. One is following Fabrice's vision. He has so much knowledge about maintenance, reliability, and asset management, especially in the area of predictive maintenance. And I was very impressed with his product manufacturing knowledge. And you put the two of those together now in the same housing. I was impressed by several things. Everyone I've met here at I-care, to me, feels like an owner. It feels like everyone I meet is the owner of the company here. They all feel like that. And it's a happy place. It's a place where everybody's very pleased to be here, and they're all contributing their best intellect and their best effort. The equipment that you're using is top notch. I mean, that is some high-tech, that's some high-tech material, and I was quite surprised to see all that capability under one roof.